Aloha and welcome to the Crypto and Stock Market Futures Trading Channel. I'm Digital Micro, and this is the Digital Micro Trading Journal, November 29, 2021. And we're in the Globex time zone a few hours before our RTH opens for Monday. And we are green. Let's check out MES Micros S&P 500. We closed Friday 45.79 with a new pandemic scare, and here we are sitting at Globex up 1.14%. M2K really got hammered, and M2K last Friday closed at 22.25. Currently, we sit at 22.59, up 1.53%, and Bitcoin 54,191. So that really got down very close to the 53,000 everybody was looking for last Friday, and currently we're at $57,095, 5.36%. So Bitcoin leading the snapback on this rally. Let's go to some strategy and charts on the next slides. Let's go to the location charts. On the left, the MES S&P 500, and the right, the Russell 2K. This is the location chart. This is where I try to really keep my eye on what's happening for a location in either short or long. And the 120 here on the left shows us basically the first candle bar up on both charts green. I went ahead, since we snapped up from the Friday close, and marked an anchored VWAP. So an anchored volume weighted average price on the MES is 46.28, and look at how many bars we've got. 6 bars, 12 hours. Price is really hugging the zone pretty much. So that tells me right now, with a downward pointing middle Bollinger Band not that far away above price on the MES, I'm not going to trade the MES, and I haven't been trading the MES after it reached my price target in the 46, 22, 23 zone. So it's hands off for me on that, not trading that for Monday. On the right, however, I am trading the M2K Russell 2000 because I like the spring in the step on how price moves, and I've made a little bit of bank on that. Nothing to write home about, but I am flat. And if you take a look on this middle Bollinger Band, the steepness of the downtrend on that middle Bollinger Band is what I'm going to watch the first hour of regular trading hours. And you can see the 22.59 is the anchored volume weighted average price since Globex opened for Monday. So price is basically touched it every single bar. So what am I going to do here? I'm not going to trade until I see a range distance from 22.59, and it's just not really happening right now. So done with the Globex session. Gonna not lose the bag because I'm a little greedy and over trading. So we're looking for a good, strong, solid base hit for RTH to add to the Globex. So that pretty much sums it up. We don't need to go to the smaller time frames because the 120 saying hands off. Do not trade it. Wait for the big girls, big boys that come in on RTH and are going to trade this with size in the first 60 minutes of the regular trading hours. So let's go to Bitcoin. 3 Bitcoin charts. On the left is the 24 hours. And what is this telling us? This is telling us this Friday down on this red candle hit a bottom with the lower Bollinger Band, but notice the lows, the candle wick Saturday, Sunday, and now Monday. We've really not had traders accept lower prices than 53,374. So that's super information. We're going to see how the RTH treats it. Bulls still are not in a good position with the downward trending middle Bollinger Band sitting at 59,719. And again, that's below November 1st anchored volume weighted average price and the October 1st anchored VWAP. So we're really got short-term holders that have bought in the last 2 months down on their positions, and maybe they're liquidating to stronger diamond hands that are holding. We'll have to see how this plays out in December, but for sure, what I'm looking for is a recapture of the mid B Bollinger Band. And let's go to the graph here. This is the Hama Keltner lines. So I like Renko, Hama, Keltner a lot on stock index. I've decided already plan 22, and that calls for me actively trading Bitcoin a little bit more than just a passive buy and hold with a proportionate minor amount. So that would be anywhere from 25 to 50% of my Bitcoin hodlr, however you want to say it, position. So I decided to take a position very small and add down here right before Globex opened. We were flirting with under 55,000, and I made a price buy small in the 54.2 and the 54.8. And so that just represents, again, a very small add on the dollar cost average. You see it on the right. And what I'm going to do is give it a few days only. If it doesn't meet my criteria, which is getting back to 61,000 in the next few days, I will probably most likely revisit the target around the 58, 59. But I want to get more comfortable with allocating some money to trading short-term Bitcoin, as well as holding a large proportionate amount on just doing nothing with it. So that's what's new. Still not having any reason to be a long-term bear on Bitcoin. I'm totally super bullish on a long-term basis, multi-year, multi-month hold. But I just think with the volatility and the ability for me to trade it like I do the stock index futures, I want to see how that plays out in 2022. And I've begun that journey here in end of November, beginning of December. So that pretty much sums up the show. I really appreciate you watching. Really appreciate if you could hit the like, most important, subscribe, so I can continue to make these videos. Aloha and